Hello guys, and in today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to install your mods into your own Minecraft world. So the first thing we have to do is to open Minecraft. I'm just gonna open it and come back. Yeah, I just opened it and it is loading. So I'm gonna wait for it to load. It doesn't take too long. And it's still loading there. So when it finishes loading, click on play and create new worlds and stuff. Waiting for it. And select creative because it's the only way you can spawn it to test your own mobs and stuff. So the first thing, I'm just gonna add my chicken mob, my duck add-on. I'm going to this man. Also gonna, you can find them here inside of behavior packs. It should automatically add them inside of resource packs. If it doesn't, then add it, because if you only enable the behavior pack, it will not load the textures. So when you have this on, what you do, change whatever you can, change all this stuff. And you can go and change whatever testing layers you can choose. Let's say survival environment. Yeah, you can do all that stuff. Search you can just add in any scenes, yeah, you can do whatever you want to your world. Just important that you have both the behavior pack and the resource pack too. No, but I think I accidentally removed it. Just gonna add it back in. Here it is. Resource pack. And I'm just going to create the world. Since it just came from the mountain ranges. There's all this stuff here, I guess. But what's important is to test our mod. So here I am in the seed, huge cliff, water, and never portal, some iron, huge cave, a bunch of stuff in the seed, some coal. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go here. Going to add in my duck spawn. So here's, take whatever you had in your mod from the creative inventory. Just look for it. If you want, you can search it here. And here you can spawn them. And they'll have the animations you gave them, the textures. But if you see it looking perfect, that means you did not add the resource pack. And yep, that is how you can install your add-ons inside of Minecraft. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you